Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Turn off fuel and mains, wait until everything is cold. Disconnect electrical and flue connections, label wires and fasteners so you can reverse the work later. Remove external trim and ash pen first because that reduces weight and reveals fixing points. Use 2 people to lift small components now. Make sure to support the stove while you undo back bolts. Once done, you should have clear access to the pipe and mounting brackets for the next stage. You proceed to separate the stove from the chimney and structure. First, unseal the flue joint and support the pipe so it does not drop. Make a small test pull. Then remove retaining brackets and backing plate bolts. Work one side at a time so the stove does not bind. Lift slightly and wiggle to free the base from mortar or adhesive. For heavy units, use straps and coordinated lifts. 1 person directs, 2 lift. Once free, move the stove to a safe spot for final detachment and inspection. You finish by cleaning, sealing, and restoring the mounting area. Scrape residual mortar and vacuum soot. Make sure the flue is either capped or professionally repaired to prevent backdrafts. Patch the hearth or install a temporary cover while deciding next steps. If debris contains suspect materials, stop and get an asbestos test. Troubleshooting tip: if the stove won't budge, carefully chisel old mortar in small sections and reattempt lifting. Do not force. Instead, use heat or a penetrating solvent, and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.